everyone, with a breaking news coming in from Karnataka. Now, it's a big win for Siddaramaiah government. Supreme Court has now dismissed an appeal filed against Karnataka High Court's order upholding the decision of the state government to invite Booker Prize winner Banu Mushtaq to inaugurate the state-sponsored Dashara Mahotsav at the Chamundeshwari Devi Temple, Mysuru. It's a big win that's now come in for the Siddaramaiah government. In fact, with Supreme Court now scraping that plea on the Banu Mushtaq invite for the Dashara Mahotsav. Now, Supreme Court says state has the power to invite Banu Mushtaq for the Dashara, so it did seem like a big win for the government at this point. Now, in this case, Supreme Court has dismissed an appeal which was filed against Karnataka High Court's order that upheld the decision of the state government to invite Booker Prize winner Banu Mushtaq to inaugurate the state Dashara Mahotsav at the Chamundeshwari Devi Temple. So clearly a great win for the state government of Karnataka, who has been backing Banu Mushtaq to come and inaugurate the state festival from the Supreme Court.
Yes, Ashita. So the Supreme Court has basically junked this plea which was filed challenging the Karnataka government's invitation to Banu Mushtaq for the inauguration of the prestigious Mysuru Dasara festival. Now, this, like you rightly pointed out, had a lot of political overtones to this because the BJP and the right-wing organizations had basically been protesting that it's not right to have a Muslim inaugurate what they believe to be a Hindu festival, but Congress has always been saying that this is more of a secular festival, and now with the Supreme Court basically junking this petition, it has cleared the way for the Karnataka government. There will no longer be any sort of legal challenges or controversies, and this basically means that Banu Mushtaq, who is a Kannada writer, an activist, and also the winner of the Booker Prize this year as well, she will be inaugurating the Mysuru Dasara, which will kickstart on September.